Stop the scrolling. If you've got a YouTrip card in your wallet, you've probably already enjoyed crushing those foreign transaction fees while traveling. But let's talk about that other place you spend money, the internet. You see that amazing deal on an overseas website, or maybe that must-have digital subscription priced in USD, Euro, or even GBP. A question immediately pops into your head: can I actually use my YouTrip card to pay for this online? The short answer is a resounding yes. Think of YouTrip as your ultimate multi-currency digital wallet. It's powered by MasterCard, and here's the key: virtually any online merchant worldwide that accepts MasterCard will accept your YouTrip card. It works just like any other debit or credit card when you check out. On the payment page, select Credit/Debit Card. Then, simply input the 16-digit card number, the expiry date, and the 3-digit CVV code from the back of your physical card. Now, here's the magic part for online shopping. Since YouTrip holds 10 different currencies in its wallet, like USD, JPY, AUD, and SGD, if you're paying a Japanese website in yen, YouTrip will automatically deduct the payment from your JPY balance, locking in that excellent exchange rate you secured earlier. If you don't have the required currency, no problem. It instantly converts the amount from your Singapore dollar wallet at the best available rate, often better than what your local bank would charge. Whether you're booking an Airbnb in Paris, buying software from the US, or snagging limited edition sneakers from Europe, your YouTrip card is ready. No hidden fees, just direct, seamless, multi-currency spending. So next time that international payment pops up, remember this: your YouTrip card isn't just for your overseas trip, it's the perfect tool for your global online shopping cart. Happy spending! Hit that like button if this helped you finally ditch those bank fees.